Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today we will talk about things to do before applying for AdSense. First thing is writing high quality content. The number one thing you need to do before applying for Google AdSense is to write high quality content. This is very important thing which you cannot ignore at any cost. I mean it. Google loves the blog who are providing high quality content and their visitors are enjoying it. Keep in mind that your application will be reviewed by humans and you have to impress them to get approval by AdSense. A high quality content is unique and original, with proper heading and bullet lists, free from grammar and spelling mistakes, is long enough and useful and informative. We will make a course about how to write a high quality content, SEO optimized without any experience. That course will be added later. You can check our profile to see if we publish it by the time you join this course or not. The second thing is creating a privacy page for your blog. One of the common mistakes that most new bloggers, even though there are people out there who say that having a privacy policy for a blog doesn't make sense, but they are wrong. The first thing you will need to apply for Google AdSense and get approval is the privacy policy of your blog or website. If you don't have it, you cannot get approval. Simple as that. Why is it important? It's requirement of AdSense, and secondly, this privacy policy means you are not a scam and gives the sense of a serious business. Google will check the rest of the conditions only if you have this policy. So it's a page, just upload it. A privacy actually describes to your readers about what they will get on your blog, what they should do and what they shouldn't do. So obviously there is nothing bad in having a privacy policy. While it can affect somehow on your AdSense approval, you must give it a try. You can write it yourself or find privacy policy generators online. You don't need a lawyer anyway. You just can do it yourself, or you can have a template from Google. Third thing is creating the about page. Like privacy policy, you must have an about page so that you can get approved. This also shows that there is a real reason behind this blog. An about page has a major role and importance even if you don't want to apply for AdSense. But when it comes to AdSense, there are about 0 chances of getting approved if you are not showing this page. About page simply describe you and your blog. This will not only help you establish a relationship with readers, but it will also make them trust you. So it's like giving your website a legitimate look that make readers comfortable and feel like they are in a professional website, and I hope that they will be in a professional website. Number 4, set up a contact us page. It's quite obvious that everyone has his or her own opinion. What one of your reader likes may be bothering someone else. Then it is better to give them an opportunity to speak up to you and tell how they feel about your blog, what they want to be edited, what they liked or hated. Create a contact page if possible. Add your email that you are going to apply for Google AdSense. If possible, do get some professional email address like Ammar at allblogging or Ahmad at Hotmail. No, don't use Hotmail or Gmail. Ahmad at, let's say, businessowner.com, and your social profile links too. By creating this, you are telling Google that we care for our customers, visitors, and we are ready to help them. They can contact us anytime. It will also show the Google AdSense team that is viewing your site you actually care about your readers and not only the money and AdSense. So that you are showing them that you are human, you have feelings, you are looking forward to improve yourself, listen to your readers, improve their experience. So this will help you get approval fastly. The last thing is checking your content type. Be careful with what type of content you are publishing, because it is something that truly matters. Here are some common content types that are not accepted by AdSense: pornography or adult materials, pirated content, hacking or cracking tutorials, illegal drugs, any other legal stuff or illegal stuff. There are few languages that are supported by AdSense, so make sure your blog language is in the list of them. The last thing is use top-level domain. This is really important. Google has made changes to their policies. If you have a blog with a blogspot and the domain is yourblog.blogspot.com, then chances are you will get approved quickly. But you will not be able to use that on any other domain like .com. You will have to submit the request to upgrade your AdSense account, which will take time, and it's a really painful process. As for today, you must have your own unique domain that specifies your blog. If you don't have one yet, stop dreaming about getting approved with subdomains and go buy a top-level domain. It will cost anywhere from $10 to $15 a year. I just purchased one for $1.5 from GoDaddy for 1 year. You can buy the domain from GoDaddy or Namecheap. I recommend GoDaddy because they have a very low prices and a lot of promotions. We will talk about this in details in the Create Your Own Website course, but for now you just need to get a clear idea about this thing. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Moneymakers team.